Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to fade audio in and out on DaVinci Resolve 19. So there have been a lot of questions on why can't I go to Effects, Toolbox, Audio Transitions, and just click on the audio effect and bring it in. Sometimes it just doesn't work, and I don't know why, but I have figured out a way to fix it through a different method. The way you want to do that is by bringing your player head all the way to the beginning, and then going to Inspector, and now we're going to mess with the volume bar. First, what we want to do is completely decrease the volume all the way to -100 and add a keyframe. Now, we want to kind of zoom in a little bit and maybe zoom out a little bit more, right? Like this. And we want to choose a point where we want the audio to fade in. So I want it to fade in somewhere right here. So now what we're going to do is go back to the volume bar and type in 0. Press enter, and the keyframe automatically is initiated. You can see the keyframes right over here. And so now let's check out our fade in. You see? So that's how you fade audio in. We're going to do the same exact thing for the fade out. So we're going to bring our player head right over here. And the audio is kind of already fading out, so let's use a cut tool to kind of give it more of a noticeable difference. So I'm going to cut that part where it already has a fade out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the player head right over here, add a keyframe to where it's at right now, and then bring the player head all the way to the end. Make sure it's selected, and then we're going to decrease the volume for here. And now the keyframe has been initiated, so let's check out the fade out. And that's how you fade out in DaVinci Resolve 19. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and have a great day.